Okay, great. So now you want to create some classes so you can put your students in there. What you're going to do is go up to the student tab, the navigation bar at the top, click on student, and I'm already here. So I'm going to go back here to manage students. And right now I only have one class. To add a class, simply click on add class group. Okay, and I want to add in my other class, which is Spanish 1003. I'm going to save the changes. And if I go over to this tab right here, drop down menu, now I have that class. If I want to add students individually to this class, I can do that by clicking on add a student here. Okay, and everybody in my house should be able to have an account here with Digilangua. And I'm going to put Wally, who's my cat, into the other class. And I'm going to let Wally know that his password is change password. So when he logs in, he will type this in, change password, all one word, and he will be able to change his password to something that he can remember. Adding the student. Now here are both of my students. Bart, here's my one cat, Wally the other cat, and here are both of my classes. So if I look into Spanish 1003, Wally is in that class. And I'm going to give him this code so he can log in. Hope that helps.